So, what are the how likely is it that our bills are due the 32nd of the month?
Impossible!
That is correct. These first 4 questions, it's just going to be one question that's multiple choice. So, and your choices will be like that. It'll be impossible, likely, unlikely, or certain. Okay, it'll rain if there is thunder.
Likely.
Usually it does, right? So we'll say likely. But not always. Somebody told me that. I don't know. I'm from Los Angeles, so we don't really deal with rain all that much. Did you guys write it down? Okay. Yeah, it's definite. It's definitely going to be, right? Very, very likely, but more than likely it's certain. It's definite. Right? Okay, if you do your homework, your grades will improve. Well, that's not necessarily true because some people do their homework incorrectly. So you definitely do not want to do your homework incorrectly. Understanding it will raise your grade. Percent, what do you think? Likely. Likely that if you do your homework, it will probably raise your grade. Did everybody write those answers down? Fantastic. Now, I'm also going to give you a number between 0 and 1. So, what is the possibility that is going to be on the 32nd? From 0 to 1. It's 0. Okay, what about this one?
1. Half.
Well, no, it's almost always, if it's thundering, it's like it's raining too, right? So I'd say like 95, 0.95. Because remember, the likelihood, the chances, those are between 0 and 1. So it's almost 1. Please make sure this is written on your page, everybody. 0.95. What about
1?
It's not 100, it's 1.00, which is 100%. Okay, something like 0.8 or 0.80 for this. 80%. All right, and we're going to cross off this one because you have to find a common denominator, because that won't be on your test. That's a really tough one. But you could do it for fun if you want to. Okay, the letters in the word January. How many letters is that?
7.
I agree. Okay, and how many A's are there? 2. Not A.
Oh no, there's 3 because there's 2 January and the one blonde.
There's just 2. Ina is a 6th period class. There are 8 boys and 12 girls. So how many total? 20. What is the probability of selecting a girl?
12 minus 20.
Good, and we want to reduce it. So what can we divide by?
5.
4.
6.
Divide by 4 over 4. We get, very good, 3/5. The weather report says there is a 30% chance of rain. What are the chances that it will not rain? What do you guys think? What's left over from 30%?
60%. No. 70%.
Right, we do 100% minus 30.
70.
It's 70%. Write that down, please. Write that down, please. Okay. Write this down. Are written on different cards, and they're placed in a bag. What's the probability that the number divisible by 3? What are the numbers divisible by 3? Right, so 3, 6, 9, 12. Any others? Nope. How many is that?
4.
4 out of 12. Good, and we have to reduce that. Let me move that over here. So 4 out of 12, 60 days. divide by 4 over 4 again. And we get 1/3. In the movie drawer, there are 7 action movies. 7 action movies. 5 comedies and 3 dramas. How many total?
15.
He's right, 15. Very good. How did he get 15?
He added them all together.
He added them up. So we have out of 15. And how many are action or comedy?
7.
Which is 7 plus 5. Good. So we get 12 out of 15. Oh, we can reduce that. Divide by 3 over 3. That equals 4/5. I'm walking around making sure you wrote all that down. Please, please, please. Write it down, write it down. Spider-Man. Very good, everybody. Very good, very good. Beads contains 8 red beads. You know, we'll take a break after this problem if you guys can sit through it. Okay? If I don't hear any singing or interrupting, we can take a break. No singing? No. Not singing? What? You do what? You just got water. Fine. Okay, a basket of beads contains 8 red beads, 6 yellow beads, 6 green beads. Okay? Who knows the total?
20.
He is correct. Good job. Okay. So what is the now somebody drawn from the basket and replaced 60 times. How many times?
60.
Right. So we're going to figure out the chance of green. How many greens are there? 6. So that can be reduced. What do we divide by?
3.
No.
2.
Yes. Okay, so we get 3 out of 10. So now, since it's 3 out of 10, we need to predict for 60. How many times do you multiply 10 to get to 60?
6.
Right, so it's 3 times 6. Done. So we predict 18 greens. 18 greens. We could move on, but you gotta write it down. Gosh. Okay, a bag contains a total of 100 black and white marbles. Without looking, a marble is chosen, recorded, and placed back in the bag. So how many were there total that they drew out? 10.
5.
10. Because it was 8 and 2. So we had 8 black was 8 out of 10. And the white ones were 2 out of 10.
3.
So how many do we expect to be black from the 100?
4. 80.
80. Because it's times 10. And 2?
2.
20. So we're multiplying times 10. 20 what? Okay, so the answer is the 20 for the white and the 80 for the black. Okay, on a youth soccer team, 3 out of 12. Oh, I know I can reduce that. 3 out of 12 team members. From 3 to 12?
No, I mean
1/4.
You really have.
Right, so 3 12s. I'm going to reduce it, right? And I'm going to get 1/4. So that was for the first part. 3 out of the 12. Okay, so that's the number that have played in previous years. 1 out of every
4.
4. 1 out of every 4. 1 out of every 4. Okay. If 180 kids are in the youth soccer league, all right, then how many could be expected to have played the year before? Well, how many can we expect because it was 1 out of 4? So how many do we expect? How do we find 1 out of 4? Right, a quarter of them, exactly. That's exactly right. So how do we find a quarter of?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. You are exactly right. Thank you. So let's go 180 divided by 4. Okay. So 16, 20. So it's 45. So 45 players we would expect. Now you want to ask yourself, does that make sense? Did 45 players, would that be about the same as 3 out of 12? It would. So you guys see how this works? This is all of the probability stuff we've been doing so far. It's how many are the chances out of something else. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Alright, this list below shows off different choices. How many total? Well,
6.
7 and 3 makes 10. So it's 10 plus 17, 27 over 27. Because 7 plus 3 is 10. And then 11 and 6. Based on these results, what is the theoretical probability of choosing a Hawaiian pizza? What do you think? You are correct. We can reduce that. Divide by 3, right? What do we get? 1/9. Very good. A theoretical is what you expect might happen, right? Is what should happen. Experimental is stuff that you actually have an experiment with. Okay, 15. So, each week in the library, this person, whoever her name is, features popular books. So we got this different kinds of books. Alright, somebody new. What's the total number of books?
15.
What's the total number of books? 15? You're right. Okay, so it's out of 15. Jack randomly chose a book. What is the theoretical that is biography? 4.
Wait, so
I meant to say biography.
number 14.
What?
Yeah.
Sorry? Dystopian, that means horrible, dystopian, it's a horrible place. Dystopian future, a very sad future place. Dystopian. Like a utopia is a place that is a very perfect, beautiful place. Dystopia is a bag of marbles. A bag of marbles contains only green and red marbles. Wow. So green and red. How many different colors of marbles are there? 2. Only 2. Each bag they're going to take one out. So how many did they take?
4. 5.
Look.
7.
10.
10.2.
We had 10. Out of the 10, how many were green?
1, 2, 3, 7.
Oh my God.
7.
Wait, what?
Dude, just count.
Here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? What about selecting a red or a green? What are the chances that you would select one of the other? 10 out of 10, which is actually 1. It reduces to the number 1. Remember, a probability is from 0 to 1. So we're definitely going to get either one of those colors. We don't have a choice.
Oh,
Yep.